What is going on, guys? It's me, Vince, again with another video, and today I'm right here behind my truck and I'm gonna try to install a tilting fridge light on this drawer system that I recently acquired from HR Woodworks. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I did the fridge light, the tilting fridge light, why I went this route instead of just asking HR Woodwork to actually install an actual tilting fridge light from him, because he can actually make it for you, and he can just, it's an option for you to add on your order. He can just slap it on there and then there you go. But like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys and I'm going to explain to you why I went this route, and I'm just going to show you how it's done. So enough said, let's just dive right in. So before we move on, I actually want to ask you guys a big favor, and that is by subscribing to this channel and also hitting that bell notification, just so that you can get informed whenever I upload new videos, which I don't really do a lot, but it helps. So enough said, let's just dive right in. Alright guys, so first things first, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this drawer, and I'm only making this video for educational purposes, in case you want to go this route, because this will save you a whole lot of money. So alright, so when I ordered this one, when I actually got the drawer system, I asked HR Woodwork to actually make me a platform like this. So this measurement is based off of the actual fridge light that I have. So this plate, or this platform, is where the fridge light will sit, and that fridge light is this one right here. As you can see, it only slides and it doesn't tilt. And at this height right here, with the fridge all the way up here, it's kind of hard to grab some stuff in it. So you actually would want the fridge to tilt down so that you can actually reach whatever's in it. And that is the reason why I'm actually going to make this fridge light, tilting fridge light, that is. So like I said, this fridge light will sit here, and mind you, this project is actually not new. A lot of people have been doing this. I've seen a lot of people do this on YouTube, and most of the people are actually using this kind of hinge. It's a piano hinge, and as you can see, this is the thickest that I can find out there, but it still bends. So I really don't trust that. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna be using this one right here. It's a door hinge, and it looks and it feels way thicker than the piano hinge. And I'm not genius, but usually when it's thicker, that means it's stronger. So with this, you would need all the strength you can get, because one, the fridge light is heavy, the fridge is heavy as well, and if you put a lot of stuff in it, it just adds up. So this is thicker, so it's heavier. I mean, it's stronger. So I'm going to be using 4 of these, and I'm going to be just spreading it out in front of this platform, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it and how the tilting works. Alright guys, so this is actually how it's going to look like. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be using 4 of these door hinges, and I'm going to be spreading it I'm going to be spreading it within the front part of this platform. So it's going to be like that. And mind you, I'm putting it all the way, like, as close as I can to this line right here, because this wing opens, and as you can see, it's just flush right there. I'm just leaving a little gap here where the wing is going to be sitting when it's open. So that's as far as I can go right there. And these are the 4 hinges right here. I'm going to be drilling it right here at the edge of the drawer system, and of course it's going to look like this. It's going to be the platform is going to be on top of the hinges, so that's how it's going to look like. And let's go drill and put this thing installed. Alright guys, so as you can see here, all these 4 hinges are attached to the platform already, or drilled to the platform. So now I'm just measuring it, but what would you want to do is get something that's leveled with the with the drawer system, and use it as a holder or something. That way you can put the platform on top of it and have the hinges open like that, as so, and do your own measurements and everything. And when you're done measuring, you can just drill these here, and that way with this it's held leveled, and so that it will make your life easier in measuring and drilling the holes. Alright, so as y'all can see, the platform is installed already, and it's just gonna go this way. How it tilts is like that, and again the fridge slide is gonna sit here, so you're kind of getting an idea of how it's gonna work out. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the fridge slide, and I'll show you guys afterwards. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the fridge slide is mounted on the platform already. I just the fridge slide has some holes on its bottom, so I just bolted it down to the platform, and I'm going to show you guys the concept of this fridge slide that I did. So here's the lever. So I'm gonna go let's pretend that there's a fridge up here, which I'm gonna show you guys later. Let's pretend that there's a fridge there, and you slide the fridge slide all the way out. So since there's no fridge, it's not tilting, but usually the weight of the fridge will make it tilt down. And that's where those door hinges play a big part. So that's how it tilts. And usually some people would put like a tie down or a strap at the back. I don't need to do that because the fridge slide will actually rest on the tailgate here. So that's gonna catch it right there when you tilt it. So that's the limit right there as far as it can go. So like I said, you don't need to put the strap at the back because it's just gonna rest there like that. So there you have it, guys. Well, I'm gonna put the fridge here and show you guys how it actually works, but this is pretty much the concept of how I did it. Alright guys, so I just put the fridge here, and I'm going to show you guys the concept of this thing. So when you slide it out, the weight of the fridge is going to make it tilt down. It's just easier for you to grab stuff inside rather than it being all the way up here. You know what I mean? So just makes your life easier. Yeah, there you go. And just close it. Then when you're done, just push it back in, and there you go. The good thing about this too is it just fits perfectly well. It's just enough that there's more space at the back for me to put my jackery. Otherwise, that would be a dead space over there, pretty useless. But like I said, it's cool because my jackery 1000 still fits back there. So there you go, guys. I hope this video helps you, or gives you an idea of how to make a tilting fridge slide for a fraction of a cost. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, feel free to subscribe. And like I said, thanks guys. Catch you on the next one.